Right, so this is one of those quick shorts that I'm recording, and this one is all about when you're using the Power Editor or even some of the HTML liquid blocks in the sections. If you're looking for a word, most people know that if you're on a Mac, for example, you do Command F, which is search. It's also Control F for PC. But you might not know that if you press Command F or Control F again, you get replaced with. So you can search for something. I'll just do jQuery, and we can replace it with Tom. And then you can hardly see this here, but it says replace and it replace all. So you click on that, it'll replace one, and if you click on that, it'll replace them all. You can see that it's changed all the ones that were jQuery into Tom, which of course I don't want to do. I want to undo that. And to undo that, I just did a Command Z or Control Z, and that brings it all back again. Of course, if you don't save it, you can just refresh the page and it'll bring it back again. But there we go, nice little simple touch. Command F or Control F first time gives you the search, and Command F or Control F the second time gives you the option to replace.